Welcome to another Doodle Duel! I'm Miss V.
And I'm Miss C. In today's challenge, we'll be making graduation cap designs. Graduates can get really creative in how they decorate their caps, and we want to show some fun ideas we came up with based on some quotes we researched.
Despite turbulent times and the roller coaster of emotions you've gone through, your journey is just beginning. The class of 2020 is full of big dreams and big futures. For the cap I'm decorating, I decided to use the quote, "Your imagination is your preview of life's coming attractions," by Albert Einstein. I thought this quote fit well with how many have been feeling lately about the setbacks hitting you during the past few months. You are all the voices of the future, so I can't wait to see what else you guys have in store for us.
The quote that I decided to use is, "In this moment now, capture it, remember it." When I read this quote, I came up with the idea of placing a Polaroid camera right in the middle of the cap and decorate Polaroid photos around it to show the memories throughout the years to your graduation day.
I put the quote on a square path and adjusted the placement. Then I sketched out the tracks of the roller coaster and the cart, also adding the supports for the coaster, and then I sketched out the sky. I lowered the opacity and then did line art and colored the background. Unfortunately, this footage was lost due to a recording malfunction, but I will show you the different layers of art. If you were to do this traditionally, you would sketch out the roller coaster onto fabric of the grad cap with pencil. Then you would paint the backgrounds with acrylics or fabric paint. Add clouds and stars. Then paint the roller coaster on top of the background so you can see the clouds and stars through the parts of the track. Doing the background first on the cap is easier than going in around each little part of the track later with the background.
Although I drew this digitally, I made the colors flat to show some possibilities on how you can cut out and make these shapes to decorate your own cap and use your own photos to decorate around it. There are plenty of possibilities on how you can decorate your cap to make it unique to you, so I hope my design can help strike some inspiration. When gluing your cut out pieces and Polaroids to your cap, make sure you are using strong glue like a hot glue gun or fabric glue to help keep the images intact to your cap. You can always do your own research for more fun designs on how to decorate your cap because there are so many out there that can help you come up with more ideas.
Alright, it looks like our grad caps are done.
Wow, Miss V, I love your quote. It is very inspirational and the roller coaster is a great metaphor to your message.
Miss C, the use of Polaroids to remember the memories that led the students to this moment is lovely.
Which one do you guys think should win this challenge?
Let us know!
You can also show us your grad cap designs by having your parents submit your photo to us at media@teamprimetime.org. Please include the project title, student's first name, grade, and school. The selected artwork will be highlighted on Team Primetime's website and YouTube channel. We hope our grad cap ideas help give you an idea to be creative with your own.
Congratulations to the class of 2020, and as always, keep doodling!